everyone! Welcome back to CT Academy. Today we're talking about how artificial intelligence, AI, is affecting our planet, both in good ways and challenging ones. Let's break down the environmental impact of AI in a way that's easy to understand. 1. Energy consumption. Training big AI systems like ChatGPT or self-driving car tech takes a lot of computer power, and that means tons of electricity. Imagine thousands of powerful computers running all day in data centers. Some studies say training one AI model can use as much power as an entire household for months. So yes, AI is smart, but it's also very energy hungry. 2. Resource optimization. Now the good part, AI can help us save resources. For example, smart factories use AI to cut down on waste, save electricity, and use materials more efficiently. Even in buildings, AI systems can automatically turn off lights, adjust air conditioning, and reduce water use. This helps us use only what we need, and nothing extra. 3. Monitoring and protection. AI is also helping protect the environment. It can track air pollution, forest fires, and even illegal fishing using satellites and smart cameras. For example, if a wildfire starts, AI can alert emergency services before it spreads too far. This makes AI a super useful tool for keeping nature safe. 4. Smarter farming, agriculture. AI is changing farming too, in a good way. With AI, farmers can use drones and sensors to check crops, track soil health, and use just the right amount of water and fertilizer. This means better food production, less waste, and healthier land. So AI does use a lot of energy, but it also helps us save resources, protect nature, and farm smarter. It's not perfect, but if we use it wisely, AI can actually help build a cleaner, greener future. Learn more with CT Academy. Want to explore how AI works in the real world? Join us at CT Academy, where we explain big ideas in simple ways. Visit ctglobal.my and start your learning journey today. See you next time.